Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. Come along with us today. We're heading over to Crofton, right around the corner from our office. We're going to install three-zone lawn sprinkler system complete. Plumbing, controller, rain sensor, all the heads, valves, complete system, and a short piece, approximately 50-60 feet of drainage. Take care of this for this client. Come along with us. Getting underway today as the guys and gals arrive on the job site. Today we are installing 3 zones of irrigation paired with a Hunter smart controller and a wireless rain sensor. Approximately 50 feet of drainage using 4-inch PVC drainage pipe to redirect the downspout off of the garage. Everybody's getting started here on the drainage. All that digging is a lot of work by hand, so it requires some manpower. But we had to dig underneath the walkway here at the front door in order to properly relocate the water. After some progress was made there, one of our foremen started running the irrigation line underneath with a vibratory plow all through the front yard. We're also digging up a space in the ground there for the 3-zone manifold where the main line connects to the plumbing on the side of the house. Here we are, back on the downspout. We are installing a clean out at the bottom before it connects to the underground PVC so that we'll be able to clean out anything that may get stuck, clogged up in the pipes before the water is redirected further out into the yard. Wireless rain sensor here being installed on the garage roof. Great place for it, out of any canopy of any trees. Here we are adjusting, fine-tuning some of these sprinkler heads for proper application of water. Okay. Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. As you can see, we just finished a 3-zone lawn sprinkler system complete today, along with a drainage system that was short, 50-60 feet, but we finished both of them up for this client one day. For all your outdoor lawn sprinkler and drainage needs, give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342 or hit the link below for more information.